How to use referral code in HungerStation. If you want to use a referral code in HungerStation, remember that you have to use the referral code during the sign up process or while creating a new account. So if you've already created an account, you cannot use somebody else's referral code that they gave you. So it must be that you must have created an account using somebody else's referral, right? So if you've not yet created an account, then you can tap on more, then go to login, then enter your mobile number and tap on continue. On the page where it asks you to ask if you have any referral, just select yes, you have a referral code. There you can enter the referral code of the person who referred you to the program, and once done, both of you will be able to get some amount of benefits. This way you will be able to add or use a referral code in HungerStation, and it can only be done during the sign up process. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.